Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Folaranmi Erastus, and here on this channel, I'll be talking about things tech. And for the longest time, I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel, but I was just overthinking, and my mind probably was in the wrong place. So I said I won't do it. But this year, I said it will not pass me by, and I have to start a YouTube channel. And here I am posting my first video, and I hope you people will love my channel, and this is just a journey for me. I want to see where this takes me and where it goes. So basically, I'll be here every week reviewing tech products because I'm a fan of buying gadgets. I buy a lot of, but I have so many gadgets. I just keep buying gadgets, and I don't know why. I just love gadgets, from power banks to phones to just different things. I love gadgets basically. So here I'll be your average guy, just reviewing tech products. And if you buy with my content, if you love what I do, you can do well to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button so that we can get to more people and we can grow this community that we are building together. And from next week, I'll start posting a video which will be much longer than this. This is just an introduction video so that I can you can know about or what my channel is going to be about. And so next week I'll be talking about a tech product. And if you love my energy and you vibe to what I do, you can do well to hit the subscribe button as I've said before. And also when I release that video, please do well to also share the video so that it can reach more people and we can grow, as I've also said before. I don't want to be repeating myself. Yeah. So please and please you can also say something in the comment section if you want to, anything you want to say. Once I put out a video, you can always comment something. I always would check the comments to know what people are saying about me so that I can reflect on whether I'm doing something right or whether I'm doing something wrong, so that I know how to best serve you guys, because I'm doing this for you people. So I have to know what my audience love, and that's what I'll do. And so thank you very much. Expect a video next week. God bless you. Peace out.